Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss what is marketing and its benefits in business. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Marketing and its benefits in business. The big question is, what is marketing? Marketing is the process of creating, promoting, and delivering products or services to customers with the goal of satisfying their needs and wants while achieving business objectives. Benefits of marketing in business. Number one, increased sales and revenue. Effective marketing can help businesses attract and retain customers, resulting in increase in sales and revenue. Number two, improve brand recognition and reputation. Through branding and advertising efforts, marketing can help businesses establish a strong brand image and reputation in the marketplace. Number three, competitive advantage. Marketing can help businesses differentiate their products or services from competitors, creating a competitive advantage in the market. Number four, customer insights. Marketing research and analytics can provide valuable insights into customer preferences, behaviors, and trends, allowing businesses to better understand and target their audience. Number five, business growth and expansion. By identifying new market opportunities and customer segments, marketing can help businesses grow and expand their operations. For my references in this presentation, Hill CWL, Alexander GA, 2017, Strategic Management and Integrated Approach, 13th edition, Cengage Learning. The second one is Kotler P. and Keller KL, 2016, Marketing Management, 5th edition by Person. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation about what is marketing and its benefits in business. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Thank you so much guys for your support by watching, sharing, commenting. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.